In this video, I would like to explain how to draw the graph of a linear equation for the given information. And this problem is 19th problem of exercise 6.3 from AP and Telangana State Boards of class 9. And also the problem is 8th problem of exercise 4.3 CBSE syllabus 9th class NCERT problem. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem is in countries like USA and Canada, temperature is measured in Fahrenheit, whereas in countries like India, it is measured in Celsius. Here is a linear equation that converts a Fahrenheit to Celsius, that is F is equals to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So, from this given information, we have to draw the graph. The relation between the Celsius and Fahrenheit is 9 by 5 C plus 32. So first question is draw the graph of the above linear equation having Celsius on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis. We observed that in winter season the Celsius degrees, the temperature is minus degrees. So temperature in negative values also. So we will take negative values x. Take Celsius on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis, and the common point x comma y. So temperature is also negative values, that means minus 10 degrees Celsius, like that. So I prefer that first you take one negative value. I preferred minus 40 degree. Then substitute the value in Celsius 40 degrees, minus 40 degrees. So F is equals to, see this one, 9 by 5 into minus 40 plus 32. So 5 in 40, 8 times. This is minus 72. 9 8s are 72. Plus into minus, minus, plus 32. So minus 72 plus 32 is equals to minus 40 degrees. So again, if we substitute minus 40 degrees Celsius, then Fahrenheit also minus 40 degrees, minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So the point is minus 40 comma minus 40. And take two positive values, suppose 10 degree, 10. Substitute in C place, F is equals to 9 by 5 into C value 10 plus 32. So 5 in 10, 2 times, 18 plus 32, that is equals to 32 plus 18 is 50. So when we substitute in Celsius 10 degrees, we will get 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So the value is 50. So the point will be 10 comma 50. And take another positive point, that is 40. Substitute the 40 degrees in the C place of the equation. F is equals to 9 by 5 into 40 plus 32. So in 5, 40, 8 times will cancel, 9 8s are 72 plus 32, that is 104. So when we substitute 40 degrees in the equation, we will get F value will be 104. So the point will be 40, 104. By observing these values, x-axis values and y-axis values, these are the large values, that minus 40 and minus 40, 104, 50, these are the larger values. So it is better to take 1 centimeter as 10 units on both x-axis and y-axis. So I am taking 1 centimeter as 10 units on both x-axis and y-axis, and temperature have negative values also. So in the middle of the graph you take x-axis and y-axis. So I took 1 centimeter as 10 units on both x-axis and y-axis. X-axis represents Celsius and y-axis represents Fahrenheit. The first point is minus 40 to minus 40. So on x-axis minus 40, y value also minus 40. So minus 40 to minus 40. So this is the first point. And per 10, on x-axis 10, the y value is 50. 10, 50. You take point here. And 40 to 104. For 40 on x-axis, that is 104. This is 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. Take carefully and draw a line passing through these 3 points. Draw carefully, then only we will get answers clearly. This line represents F is equals to 9 by 5c plus 32. This point is minus 40, 40, minus 40. This point is 10, 50. And this point is 40, 104. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter as 10 units, and on y-axis 1 centimeter as 10 units. And the problem is not finished. Some questions are asked here. Let us observe that one. The first question is, draw the graph of the above linear equation having Celsius on x-axis and Fahrenheit on y-axis. So the first one is completed. Come to the second question. If the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? So if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, so take dotted lines on x-axis 30 degrees Celsius to the graph line. So take dotted lines from 30 and the intersecting point. Draw a perpendicular line to these dotted lines from this point. So when 30 degrees Celsius, then Fahrenheit will be, this is 80, 85, 86. So point is 30, 86. So solution is, second one solution is, when 30 degrees Celsius, then Fahrenheit will be 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Come to the third question. If the temperature is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in Celsius? So y-axis represents Fahrenheit. So check 95. This is 90, so middle line is 95. Draw a dotted line to the graph line from 95 degrees Fahrenheit. From this point, draw a perpendicular line to these dotted lines. So when 95 degrees Fahrenheit, the Celsius will be 35 degrees Celsius. So this is 35 comma 95, this point. So when 95 degrees Fahrenheit, then 35 degrees Celsius. And fourth question is there a temperature that has numerically the same value in both Fahrenheit and Celsius? If yes, find it. By observing this graph, this point minus 40 comma 40. So when minus 40 degrees Celsius equals to minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So at this point, the both Celsius and Fahrenheit will be same. So fourth answer is minus 40 degrees Celsius is equals to same numerical value, that is minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So the total graph solution is finished. If you like this video, please like it and share it to those who need maths basics, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.